A lot of times in this class, you're going to come across an assignment where I teach you to do something a certain way. Let's say an example is, at one point I'm going to teach you how to use new tabs in an internet browser. And one of the ways to get a new tab open is to click this plus key. And you might be watching it and you might be thinking to yourself, I wonder if there's a different way to do that. Or you might know a different way to do it. And you might realize that I didn't maybe teach you the different way to do it, because I just taught you one way. A lot of times for a lot of folks, this is all brand new information. So if I show you every different way to make a new tab, it's a little overwhelming. Also, new programs are updated all the time, and new things change within those programs, so you can do things in different ways. In this case, the example would be that I could also do Control on my keyboard and tap the T key, and that makes a new tab also. So when you come across something like this, what are you going to do? Well, one thing you could do is I encourage you to, within this discussion forum, I want you to make a little tutorial video showing a different way to do the thing that I showed you how to do in the lesson, in any of the lessons. So we could look at any of the lessons in this digital productivity module. So if we go down here to this digital productivity module, I'm going to show you all sorts of different ways to use your computer. But you might already know how to do some of those things in different ways. So what I want you to do in this discussion forum is create little mini videos showing different ways to do stuff. And for those of you that come across this stuff, you're like, wow, I'm not really sure if I know a different way, but I'd be curious to know if there's a different way to make new files and folders or organize my stuff. I want to learn something new. Come back and check this forum from time to time, because people will update it with different ways to get things done on your computer. And a way to get that screen recording going. So if you ever want to do this, here's how you get that screen recording going. What you want to do is go to Google, and we're going to use a program called Screencast-O-Matic. So if you go type Screencast-O-Matic, you search for that, you'll find the site Screencast-O-Matic. On your computer, you click it, and all you got to do is hit Start Recording for free, and then launch Free Recorder. You might have to download a little thing, and it'll download down here in the corner, and you got to run it or open it. But afterwards, what will happen is kind of a checkered box will appear on your screen, and then you'll see a little, maybe a webcam or maybe not. Usually it starts off with just your screen. If you want to put your face in it, click both, and then you got to choose the webcam, and you'll just see there'll be one choice on a laptop. It's like the default webcam. You choose it, and your face will pop up. And you could move your face. Usually kind of if you're going to put your face on it, you put it down here in the corner. You also want to make sure that the narration's working, that the audio is going through your microphone. And if it's not, you can click this little triangle and you can pick which microphone, and for on a laptop it's probably just your default microphone. After that, you start hitting record. And now it's going to give you a little countdown, and you can start recording an actual little screencast video. And when you hit pause, you could then go navigate and replay what you've done. And if you realize you mess up, say you're talking about here and like, oh, then I messed up here, you can hit this and it'll start recording at this spot right in the video, and you can keep going. I use this feature all the time. When you're done, you just hit done and then save. You'll save the file. You'll go save as video file, and then you click file name, give it a name like creating folders. Like if you found a different way to create folders or something like that, the folder that you're going to put it in, it looks like on your desktop, and then you hit publish. It'll run and publish, and then you'll have a video file on your desktop. You'd then go back to this discussion, hit reply, and over here on this record upload media, you'd click this little button here, and then you'd hit upload media, select video file, and then you'd find this thing, open it, and there's your file, and then you have a video file that you shared with the whole class, so anyone else can learn from what you know about different ways to get things done. So that's how we get this one done.